Okay students, now we are going to see my practice time 4. Okay, add the following. This is with regrouping. Okay, I have just now explained you what is regrouping. Regrouping means whenever we get after 9 ones, whenever we get more than 9 ones, we carry over the ones on tens place. Okay, now see here, 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. So I am going to write here 1 and remaining 1 10 I am going to carry over on tens place. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. We should always count this also. We have to add this number also. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. Then one more example I will solve for you people. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is how much? You can count fingers after 6 also. 6 plus 7, 7 fingers, and 7 plus 6 also. You can vice versa. The answer will remain same only. Suppose I am taking 6 fingers. 7 plus 6 is, I am taking 6 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and this one 13. So I am going to write here 3 and remaining 1 10 I am going to carry over on tens place. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay students, the remaining question on the remaining sums you are going to solve similarly. Okay, this one also. And arrange in columns and add. Arrange in columns and add. This you have to do it in your notebook. You have to first arrange in the columns and you have to add. Okay, I will give you one example how to arrange it. Now suppose they have given A1 38 plus 57. Okay, first we have to draw one box. You will draw the box with a scale. Tens and ones will write. Okay, now see here, 38 means 3 tens and 8 ones. So first we are going to write 3 tens and 8 ones. Then plus sign we are going to put and 57. So 5 10 and 7 ones. Okay, now 7 plus 8. Take 8 fingers, count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I am going to write here 5. So 5 here and remaining 110 is here. We will carry over the 1 on tens place. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 9. Similarly, you will solve all these remaining questions in your notebook. Now, my fun time. Fabian is sleeping and dreaming. Now, Fabian is sleeping and she is dreaming. She sees Revati in her dream. Who came to her dream? Revati, her friend. Revati is giving her a message. Add the numbers to decode the message. Now, they are saying Revati is giving her a message. Add the numbers. First we'll add these numbers and see, you can see after they have given letters here. Under every question they have given letters. C, D, A, S, O, H, E, M, Y. Right? First we have to solve it. Yes, and then we have to write the code here. See how to do it. See how to do it. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So I will write here 9. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So I am going to write here 7. Now see here, we got answer 79. And under 79 which letter is there? I. So first we will find out where is 79 here. See, where is 79 here? Here. And the letter is I. So we are going to write here I. Okay. Now see one more example I will solve for you people. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. So I am going to write here 3 and remaining 110 I am going to carry over on tens place. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So our answer is 93. Now we have to find out where is 93. Yes, here it is 93. So the letter is T. So we are going to put T here. Okay. Now similarly you will solve all these questions and you will write the letter wherever, whichever answer you will get, you will find out that number and you will write the letter on that number. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. After finishing all this you will get one message. Now adding three one-digit numbers. Now we have to add 3 one-digit numbers. You can see here with regrouping. Now this also we have to do with regrouping only. Means we have to carry over. For example, add 3 plus 5 plus 7. Now we have to add 3 plus 5 plus 7. First step is arrange the numbers vertically. Yes. Add the ones. Now see here they have arranged tens and ones. 3 plus 5 plus 7. Why they have written in the ones place? Because all they are ones only. 3 ones, 5 ones, 7 ones, right? Now add the ones. We have to add first. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15 ones, 110 plus 5 ones. See here. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15, right? Or you can count it like this only. You can add it like this only. 3, you can add like this also. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So I have written here 5 and 1 I am going to carry over here on tens place. Now see here there is no number but 1 is here. So we are going to bring this 1 down to the tens column. Okay. So the sum of 3, 5 and 7 is 15. When we add 3, 5 and 7 we get the answer 15. Okay. Now I will show you one example here. Suppose they have given there 3, 5 and 7. We will take another example. This is adding 3 one-digit number. With regrouping. Okay, now suppose we'll take add 2 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, now we have to first arrange this in column. Tens and ones we are going to write. These are all ones. So we are going to write 2, 5 and 5. We will put here plus sign. Now 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. Then 10 plus 2 is 12. So we will write here 2 and remaining 1 10 we are going to carry over here. Okay. Now here there is no number but we got 110. So we are going to take this one here. So the answer is 12. I hope you all have understood. Okay, adding 3 one-digit number with regrouping. Now see the next one, adding 3 two-digit numbers with regrouping. This is also with regrouping, but here we are going to learn about two-digit numbers. This was one-digit number. Yes, one digit. Here two-digit. Now see example, add 45, 36 and 11. Now first step is what? Arrange the numbers vertically. Add the ones. Ones place we are going to add first. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 2 they have written here. Then they have carried over the 1 on tens place. Okay. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12 ones. So 12 ones means 110 plus 2 ones. Write 2 in the ones column. Yes, they have written already in ones column and carry over the 1 here on tens column. Then add the tens. Now we have to add the tens. What is there? 4 plus 3 plus 1, and this 1 also carry over. See, they have written here. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 tenths. Why? Because we are adding tens place, right? So the sum of 45, 36 and 11 is 92. Okay. Now one example I am going to give here also. We'll take another example. Suppose this is adding 3 two-digit number. With regrouping. Now see, add. Suppose we'll take 38 plus 14 plus 22. First we'll draw a column. You will use scale, okay? Tens and ones. First is 38, 3 tens and 8 ones. So 3 tens and 8 ones, then 14, 1 10 and 4 ones, then 22, 2 tens and 2 ones, and plus sign we are going to put. Now see here, 8 plus 4, or you can, 8 plus 4 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. So we are going to write 4 here and we'll carry over the 1 on tens place, right? Then 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7, right? 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. We should not leave this. So the answer is 74. I hope students you all understood. Now we are going to see here my practice time 5. They have said to add this. Number A is 3 plus 5 plus 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So we are going to write here 4 and we are going to carry over 1 here on tens place. So here there is no number, right? So we'll bring this number down. So our answer is 1, 10, 4 ones. Okay students, now one more example I'll solve, that is adding adding 3 two-digit numbers. This question I am going to solve for you people. Now see here, 5 plus 6 is how much? 11. 11 plus 2 is 13, right? So I am going to write here 3 and we are going to carry over 1 on tens place. Yes. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. You should not leave this number. This also we are going to add. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7. Remaining you are going to solve similarly. Okay. Now see question number 2. Arrange in columns and add. This you are going to solve it in your notebook. Same way you have to arrange like this. Okay. And you have to add it. Then now we are going to see what is word problems. Now see here they have given one example. There are 28 mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 28 mangoes and 43 apples. 28 mangoes and 43 apples are there in a grove. How many fruits are there in the grove altogether? Yes, always remember students, when you see words like altogether, add, plus, total, sum, altogether, in all, means you have to do the addition there. You have to add that numbers. Okay. Now we are going to start. Let's add. First they have made one column. Number of mangoes is how much? 28. They have written here. See, number of mangoes are 28, right? Number of apples are 43. Then total number of fruits. So 8 plus 3 is, after 8 count 3 more numbers, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 1 here, 1 1 and 110 is here. We will carry over the 110 here. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7. So there are 71 fruits in total in the grove. They were asking all together, means we have to add. Total how many fruits are there? Total 71 fruits are there in the grove. One example we are going to solve. Now see here. First example, this one I am going to solve for you people. See what they had said. This is word problem. First one, there are 81 people. What they are saying, there are 81 people traveling in a train. 9 more people got in. There were already 81 people in the train. 9 more got in the train. How many people are there in the train now? See, there were 81 people traveling in the train. 9 more people got in. Now we have to find how many people are there in the train now. So we have to add this. How many total number of people are there in the train? Now first what we are going to do, first we'll make one column. Okay, I have drawn this column. Okay, like this, tens and ones. So number of people in the train, number of people in the train. Number of people in the train are 81. So 8, 10 and 1 ones. How many got in? 9. Number of people got into the train? Number of people got into train. How many people got into train? 9, right? So it is 9 ones. So we are going to write here 9, correct? We'll put plus sign also. Then now 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. So I'm going to write here 0 and we are going to carry 110 on tens place, right? Then here there is no number. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So there are total number of people in train now. Total number of people in the train. This is total number of people in the train is 90. Yes, see, I have taken this from here only. See how many people are traveling? 81. Number of people in the train? 81. Number of people got into train? See, 9 more people got in. How many people are there in the train now? Total number of people in the train is 19. Yes, they have, this is called word problems. Okay, they will give us some information and we have to add like this. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. This word problems you are going to solve in your notebook. Now see, what is the total when you add all the digits from 1 to 9? Now what is the total? What is the total of all the digits from 1 to 9? Means, see, like this you have to do. All the digits we have to add from 1 to 9. Now see here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Till 9 only they have said to add it. Okay. Now see, 1 plus 2 is 3. Yes. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Right. 10 plus 5 is 15. Correct. After 15 plus 6 is, you can count 6 fingers forward. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Then 21 plus 7, take 7 fingers. After 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Till here we got 28. Now 28 plus 8, remove 8 fingers. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yes, till 8 we got 36. Now plus 9, 36 plus 9, remove 9 fingers. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Right? So our answer is 45. So here we are going to write the answer 45. Okay, this way we have to solve. I think a number and add 6. I think of a number and add 6. I double the answer and I get 20. What number did I think of? Yes, properties of addition. Properties of addition, in that we are going to see order property. What is now order property? See here. Observe properties of addition. Order property. What is order property now? Observe the following first. See, 2 balls are here and here 3 balls. 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5 balls, right? So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now change the order of the number and add 2 and 3 and 2. The answer will still be 5. See, if I'll add 3 plus 2, 3 balls plus 2 balls, 3 plus 2, 5. Yes, I have changed the order. Now 3 is here and 2 is here. First 2 was here and 3 was here. Then I have changed it. 2 plus 3 I was saying, now I am saying 3 plus 2. Right? 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. The answer will remain same only. The answer will remain same. Now suppose this is called the order property of addition. If we change the order in addition, then also the answer will remain same. This means that changing the order of numbers will not change the answer. For example, see here, 21 plus 13 is equal to 13 plus 21 is equal to 34. If we add 21 plus 13, then also we are going to get answer 34. If we add 13 plus 21, then also we are going to get answer 34 only. Now you can see here. Suppose I'll give you one example. Order property. See, suppose I have written here 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. And if I'll write 2 plus 5, I have changed the order. 2 plus 5, then also the answer will remain 7. Okay, one more example I will give. Suppose I have written here 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is how much? 9, right? And if I say 3 plus 6, then also the answer will be same. Yes. So in addition, if we change the order, then also the answer will not change. Okay. Now see here, my practice time 6. Fill in the boxes. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Yes, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. We will get the answer same only. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. One more example I am going to solve. 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6. Okay, 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6. The answer will remain same. Now see, one more example I will solve for you people. 1 plus 8 or 8 plus 1. The answer will remain same. 1 plus 8 is 9, 8 plus 1 is also 9. Okay students, now we are going to see what is zero property. Now see here, observe the following. See here, you can see crayons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crayons are there, plus this is empty, 0. You can see there is no crayon. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6, or 0 plus 6 is also 6. 0 plus 6. If we add any number with 0, the number itself only the answer. See, if any number is added to 0 or 0 is added to any number, then we get the number itself as the answer. If I'll say 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6. For example, they have given 20 plus 0 is equal to 23, and if 0 plus 41 is equal to 41, 0 plus 41 is equal to 41. Always remember that whenever we add 0 in any number, the number itself is the answer. Now see here, one example I'll give you of zero property. Now suppose I have written here 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0, the answer will remain 4 only, because 0 has no value. Okay, then one more example, 10 plus 0 is 10, or I'll say 0 plus 15 is answer is 15. Okay, now see here, fill in the given boxes. My practice time 7. Fill in the given boxes. A, 15 plus 0 is, answer is 15. Okay, then dash they have given 0, dash plus 0 is equal to 42. Which number we are going to add so we can get answer 42? Because here is 0, so we'll add 42 only. 42 plus 0 is equal to 42. One more example I am going to solve here. Now see here, dash plus 28 is equal to 28. Answer is 28 only. So what here which number will come? 0. 0 plus 28 is equal to 28. Okay. Now see, one more example I will solve. 33 plus 0. 33 plus 0 is 33. Okay students, I hope you all have understood what is zero property. Yes? Students, now we are going to see a mental maths. Color the circle green if the answer is true. Color the circle red if it is false. First we have to see if it is false, we have to color in red, and if it is true, we have to color in green. Okay, now see first one, 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Yes, 13 plus 1 is 14, so it is the correct answer. So we are going to question A, 13 plus 1 is 14. Okay, so the answer is correct. Yes, 13 plus 1 is 14, so we are going to color it in green color. Okay, like this. Now we'll see the second question. 4 plus 0 is equal to 0. Is this the correct answer? 4 plus 0? 4 plus 0 is 4. They have written here incorrect answer. So we are going to color in this red. We are going to color this circle in red color because this is wrong answer. Okay students. Now see the C1. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is how much? 7 plus 1 is 8. They have written here 0. So the answer is wrong. So we are going to color this circle in red. Then 17 plus 12 is equal to 12 plus 17. Is this correct? 17 plus 12 or 12 plus 17? In both ways we can write. Yes, it is correct. This is order property, right? So this is correct one. So we are going to color in green color. Okay students. Now you can see here I learned what we have learned in this lesson. The name of the lesson is addition. In this lesson we have learned adding 2-digit number with 1-digit number with and without regrouping, adding 2-digit number with another 2-digit number with and without regrouping, adding 3 one-digit number with regrouping, adding 3 two-digit numbers with regrouping. And in addition, properties of addition we have seen, zero property and order property. Okay students, and what is addition? Addition means putting things together. And what is total? Total means the result of the addition, means the answer of whatever you get from doing the addition. Okay students? Okay students, I hope you all have understood the lesson. Okay, now we are going to meet in the next lecture. Okay, bye, take care.